hustle, I do hustle, I do hustle,
Hello everyone, I am Entertrenuers, known as Keiigh Minnie, courtesy of Mcwords Visuals for collaborating with me. So guys, I'm sure y'all have been asking yourselves, what is this whole catching up with Keiigh Minnie all about? Worry not, I'm gonna explain everything to you right about now. But before that, if you have not subscribed to our channel, please click on that subscribe button and also turn on your notification bell so you can be notified whenever we're dropping a new video. So guys, catching up with Minnie is all about interviewing upcoming artists, entrepreneurs, influencers, and also hustlers. Get to know them better and also inspire others. It will be playing on Wednesdays at 5 p.m. Make sure you tune in, guys. And if you are one of those I have mentioned above, make sure you send us an email and we will get back to you. Thank you guys for watching this video. See you guys on the very first episode.
Yeah, don't know my mother, let me tell you a story. When my papa died, I was at just 7. But I never told myself I'm not gonna get it. 7 days straight, I'm out the street, hustling. HHV, my niggas elevated. How much you selling the bread? I'm really hungry. I was super depressed, but I wouldn't do no drugs. I'm in my Entertrenuers, I'm still trying to find my feet. Came back from KZN, now I'm staying with my mama. Started doing music, every door was closed for me. I was undermined, all my peers would laugh.